what you can do is, well, actually this is not the display, it is display inline. So now it is displayed as inline. That you can remove this one, list style, you can put it here, list style as none, and background color black. You can see it is there. So by default the unordered list or ordered list is displayed as vertically, but if you want to display them horizontally, then you have to play with the CSS. You just need the reference of your ID. So this is the block. You say that my list, this is the ID of unordered list, my list, and all list item which are in this ID of my list, display them as inline. And this is list style none, that we don't want disks, the small disk, the white disk, the black disk, which are displayed automatically by HTML. The color is red. Here is the color. I put the padding around it. If you see, if I put 2 RAM, it increased the size, so I just put 1 RAM. And then background color, which is black. So about RAM and pixel, we will see it in CSS course.